Hi and welcome to AfriHost Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to create a mailbox in CWP. Open your internet browser. Navigate to clientzone.afrihost.com. Log in with your username and password. Select the Hosting tab. Select the domain you want to create a mailbox for. Select Website Manager, then click Log into Website Manager. Scroll down. Under the email sections, select Email Accounts, and then click on Add a new mailbox at the top. Fill in your new mailbox details. Enter the recipient in the box before the @ symbol, and then select the domain name from the drop-down menu. Enter the storage size you want to allocate to your mailbox. Then enter the password you want for the mailbox, or select Random for a random password to be generated for you. Once done, click on Add. Your new mailbox created will then appear in the list of mailbox accounts and mail forwarders. You have successfully created a new mailbox in CWP.
Hi, John, CEO of AfriHost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afrihost.com.